Hello and welcome to my channel, The Faucet Life. My name is Travis. Today I've got a special video for you. I decided to flush an entire roll of toilet paper down the toilet and see how it performs. I've always felt like we should be testing toilets based on how people actually use them, which is typically by someone accidentally flushing too much toilet paper down it to clog it. So I figured let's put a whole roll of toilet paper down the toilet and see how it performs and test the toilets that way. This first one that I'm going to be testing is the DXV Equility 2-piece toilet. It's one of my favorites. Let's see how it performs. So much toilet paper. Alright, I think it's gonna flush. Let's check it out. Cast your vote now. Let's see what happens. Oh man. Alright. Let's see. Oh, almost. Almost got it. Alright, so we're at 8 seconds now since our last flush. Let the tank refill and try it again. Okay, so the tank took about 1 minute, 7 seconds to fill. Let's check out the rest here. Okay, so it's not flushing it on the first or second try, but at least it's not overflowing either. So that's a good sign. Definitely a big glob down in there. Okay, tank's full. Flush number 3. Oh, I got most of it. I got most of it on number 3. Oh, there it goes. 3 flushes. Took 3 minutes and 15 seconds essentially. Alright, well that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Definitely recommend this DXV Equility toilet. It performs great, as you saw. Not every day you're going to be flushing down whole rolls of toilet paper, but at least you know that it can do it and it won't overflow.